It's starting to get a little cold here in Florida because, well, winter is coming.
Right now, it's 81 degrees. Tonight, expect a low of 71 degrees.
Well, maybe not here in Florida, but either way, winter's coming. So today we're going to make a mulled wine recipe out of this book, this fantastic Game of Thrones themed cookbook. So let's get brewing. First thing we're going to need to do is we're going to have a pot. We're going to pour 2 wine bottles into it. This is a decent Cabernet. This is essentially 2 bottles, so 150 milliliters times 2, 1.5 liters. Pour this in. Just remember to pour some out for your homies. We're gonna add 3 cups of no-pulp orange juice, 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. This is fresh from the trees in the yard. Apparently this has been put into a soy sauce thingamajigger. A tablespoon of cinnamon. Don't do the cinnamon challenge, kids. That's how you die. 4 tablespoons of sugar. However, I'm going to use the swerve equivalent, the erythritol, 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. A tablespoon of nutmeg. So I'm going to freshly grate that. And I'm just going to do it over the pot because I pretty much know what that is. So we have that. We also need to add 2 sticks of cinnamon. We're going to need to cut 3-inch cubes of ginger. So, 2, 3. No, I'm not going to be too fancy with this. I'm just going to cut them into cubes. Cut. It's about 1 inch, right? Yeah. Boom. You have these 3 going into the pot. And now we have our orange, which we need to cut in half. Of course, I forgot to hit record. So we have our orange here and I cut it in half, and all we're gonna do is basically insert 20 cloves into the rind. Do 10 per. You want the bud sticking out. So drop this into your mixture, cloves down, rind down. Now what we're gonna do is add 3 tablespoons of honey. If I can squeeze this honey out hard enough. 1, 2, 3. Don't let honey go to waste. Bees are dying by a lot. And that's the hard part. Now we're basically gonna bring it up to a simmer for 5 minutes, drop it down to just below a simmer and let it sit there for 45 minutes. But before that, I forgot. You could add cognac to it, but I'm gonna add a little bit of bourbon. I want a little kick to it. So let's get this up to a simmer. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Give this a nice stir. So this is starting to simmer, so we're gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Now, whatever you do, just make sure not to boil this because that will just ruin the entire thing. Trust me on that. Oh, this just smells fantastic. I highly recommend you do this in the winter when you're locked inside because the smell of this is just gonna make your house unbelievable. If any candle company is listening, this is what you should be making. So just let this sit here for another 45 minutes, stirring occasionally, making sure nothing's getting stuck, making sure the oranges are clove side down, and we'll be back. So this has been on the heat for about 45 minutes now, and I actually tasted it as it went along, and I actually added a little bit more honey because I found it was a little bit too acidic for my taste. Let's give this a try again. And that's good. Once that's done, just go ahead and use a ladle. I'm gonna pour this into a mug. Nice glass. The more medieval looking it is, the better it will be. Really good. Try it, especially if it's snowing, because winter is coming. Tag me on your pictures on Instagram, Black Tie Kitchen. Get this recipe and more at blacktieKitchen.com. Hit me up on Twitter, Facebook, all the above. Till next time, stay out of the cold because there's some zombies out there. Oh, one more thing. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I upload more videos. Thanks for watching. And one more thing. These oranges are gonna be boozy as f. So make sure you enjoy them responsibly.